Hello friends, so you would have seen the marks of preliminary examination that you have written, or maybe somebody would have written mains and you would have seen that mark, or somebody would not have cleared, the interview and they would be writing again. At this moment, when you see the mark, it is going to be disheartening. I'll not be, I'll not say any fancy words, but I'll be very blunt. It's going to be painful. But the secret of all this is to get over it and work for the preliminary examination that is going to come. See, take this mark as an way forward for how much you should do in the examination which is going to come, because many of the students do not see the mark, and if you do not see the mark, it's not going to work out. It's not going to be like once I know that I get 80, let us assume that, because many of the students had sent me this mark sheet that they had got 80. That's a good thing, because you are now very close, because last time the cutoff was 88, 87 point something. So you should take this in the positive stride and go for it. And some of the students who would have written mains and they would not have cleared, what I would say is that the initial reactions, initial thinking of this examination would be, maybe I should have read that material, maybe I should have read this material. Understand this exam very clearly. The examination has changed. The examination now contains information a lot. That is, everybody has information in their hands. Everybody has material in their hands. What is not working is that whether we are addressing the question to the necessary things that are being asked. What will happen is that we keep on writing examination, we keep on writing stuff from the notes that we have, and that gives us this perception that we are going in the correct direction. But what I feel genuinely is that we don't read newspaper, we depend on notes a lot, and we depend on somebody's class material for writing this examination. Understand this very clearly. The examination question wants a certain type of analysis, and that can be gotten from you when you read the necessary books. I'll give you two examples. One example is from my subject. One example is that in anthropology, so everybody knows anthropology has so many materials and so many things that is crisp and clear, and so many things, words they ask. But the questions are now coming in a very analytical way. For that, you need to know and understand the meaning of the topic. For that, you have to read Ember and Ember. If you read Ember and Ember, in the last moment, you can use your notes or you can use your material for writing this mains. But once you build the base itself with notes, how are you going to grow? This is a very, very simple fact. In anything and everything, the first job is for us to grow, or first become a base, then grow. See, we think in the opposite direction. We use them. See, maybe I will also accept the fact that maybe somebody would have cleared 1 or 2%, but the base is necessary. What base they had, we would not know. This is the primary thing that is giving you problems in your main score. What you have to understand now is that you have to apply things that you read from the book, and you have to write it in the question that they are asking. So please think about it. Please stick to previous year question. That will be enough. This mains examination, once the mark has come, once you have seen the question, you would have understood this. Read newspaper, read the books, read and understand and address the question, you will get the good scores. What I wanted to, so one example I'll give you. See, this is the point. The second example is what is that? Political science. Political science, people read so many notes, but political science, all the question, everything, every geopolitics, everything is in the newspaper. If you follow Minds of Aspirant, you can follow Minds of Aspirant. I am being continuously putting articles. Every day the article comes about political science only. Actually, political science, if you ask me, you read the thinkers. I think the thinkers will be there. Next, you read newspaper and you go inside the hall, you will score better marks. If you do not consider this as a methodology, you can use the question paper asked this time and you can verify yourself for the next 1 month. But you have the prelims. But anybody wanting to choose political science, take the question paper which is there, take the newspaper which is going to come for 1 month. You can take 2 months. You will understand that everything that they are asking in the question paper is from the newspaper. If you read newspaper and you read the books and analyze the previous year question, you will be able to clear this examination next time. So anybody who has missed out on the mains, please think about it. Do try for the next time. Interview, yes, it's going to be a hard thing. So I know for a fact that no amount of motivation or no amount of whatever thing that I say is going to be enough for you to approach the exam next time. But I want to give you this example of Darwin and end this video. See, first I started with this preliminary examination, then the people who have written mains, and then we are addressing the people who are not cleared interview. What I would suggest is that follow Darwin. Darwin, if you see, from a very young age was first not sure what to do in his life. He wanted to do so many things. He wanted to be, his father sent him to be a doctor. He was not good at that. Then he wanted to be a priest. He was not good at that. Then by chance, his hobby was to collect fossils. By chance, what he did was he stepped onto this HMS Beagle, the ship that sailed all across this world. He built the base there. Understand this very clearly. For 5 years, Darwin did not not 5 years. Darwin did not publish the evolution theory of evolution in 1 day. He first had a base. That's what I'm asking you to do in civil services also. Without reading the books, without reading the newspaper, without doing the base, if we start thinking about how do you write an answer, how can we convert that? I do not know. So what I would suggest is that first build a base, like Darwin did. Roam around the world. He roamed around the world. You read newspaper, you read the books, you wait for your time. What Darwin did next is what you have to do after reading, after you finish the syllabus. Darwin next comes back home. He comes back around 1830. See, he goes around the world from 1830s, 31 to 36. 1836, he comes back. He does not go out of his house even for the next 30 years. I'm not asking you to do what he did or what Nilambari did in Padayappa. Don't lock yourself down in the home. I'm saying first build the base, first read. Okay, the second part would be the application part. You apply it in the question paper. Whatever you have read, you apply it. That's what Darwin did. Whatever he collected, he collected everything from all across this world. He applied it. He used to ask doubts to so many of his friends. All the letters are there in, I think, Columbia. You can check that. The university's name is Columbia. All his letters are there. You can check it yourself. He writes letters to all his friends. He is asking for evidences of whatever fossil that he has found. Everyone keeps on giving. This he does for 30 years, not 1 year, not 2 years, 30 years. He disappears. That's the point. He disappears and he does the most important necessary thing that is important in everyone's life. In civil services also it is important. First you build the base, then you put your hard work, you take the previous year question, you analyze every previous year question according to the syllabus that you have written. Read the newspaper, do your work very calmly and steadily. That's what Darwin did. The third point is that integration and not being scared. The third point I wanted to say was Darwin once, after 30 years, he comes up with this conclusion of, theory of evolution. He wants to publish it. But at that moment, a person called as Wallace, okay, Alfred Wallace, from Southeast Asia. He is somewhere in the southeastern forest, I think Malaysia or the southeastern region, the SARC region. He sends a letter to Darwin, he sends a letter to Darwin saying that he has found the evolution of animals or evolution of flora and fauna. He gives the same principle that Darwin had been investigating for 30-40 years. In one letter, Darwin sees that this fellow has, investigated and found out what we have found out in all these years. Darwin did not panic. That's the point. He actually was scared, but what happens? That is the point. Once everybody is scared, but what happens after you're scared? You come out of it, he comes out of it, and he calls Wallace. Both of them publish what is called as the theory of evolution, theory of natural selection, or no, evolution by natural selection. This theory that we have, which changed the world, was proposed by Darwin, but Wallace was together with him. This is the amount of guts that anybody should have in their preparation, in their, I've seen here that, people do not converse with each other. They do not, one person does not give the notes to other. One person thinks that other person may clear. This is where I feel that Darwin might help you in analyzing this whole fact. First, build the base. Second, apply it in the previous year question. Third, integrate yourself with people who want you to clear. You should want them to clear and they should want you to clear. Have them with you, travel along, slowly do that. You will reach your destination. Do not see the results or, do not see the results as an, barrier now. 1 month is there, maybe 2-3 days, you will feel all right. Many of the students had asked what this Lincoln program is. Okay, Lincoln will be the core batch that we are going to start. The thing that I said, the base building, application, and then integration. These three processes will be taught to the students in a very slow and steady manner, in such a way that they build themselves for this examination. That is the purpose of Minds of Aspirant. That is the purpose of anything that I do. Any subject I take, acumen, answer writing, I do the same principle. Base, then implementation, then integration. Same way I do it for preliminary examination, same way I'll do it for the Lincoln program that we are going to start. Anybody who wants to join, please suggest them, tell your friends about this program. Also, wait for this 1 month, prepare and go write this examination. Do not worry about the scores which have come. All the best and thank you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Minds of Aspirant. You can send this video to anyone who is preparing for civil services and to your family members who want to know about civil services also. There is a Telegram channel, Minds of Aspirant official as well. You can click that link and join the group and you can ask for whatever doubts that you have. And also you can click the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from Minds of Aspirant. Thank you. All the best.